Hello everyone, today we are going to make crispy pork leg sinigang. And of course the main ingredient is pork leg, and make sure to wash and clean it well. Make sure to remove the hairs on the skin. And now we will put it into a pot of boiling water, and I will add a tablespoon of salt. And salt increases the temperature of the boiling water. And if you notice a frothy layer that forms on the surface, that's called scum, and let's remove it until it becomes clear. When it's already tender, drain the meat and save the broth, and I'm gonna fry it while preparing the rest of the ingredients. And now let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. I like the soup of my sinigang a little bit spicy, so I'm using a little bit more of the serrano peppers. Serrano peppers give good flavor to the soup. Now that our pork leg is already crispy, it's time for me to saute the onion, tomatoes, and black peppers. Why this recipe is different than the other sinigang? Because I saute the onions, tomatoes, and black peppers. That way, this method enhances the flavor and lets the natural sweetness of the peppers and the onions shine. This method breaks down the natural sugars, so the onions taste extra sweet the same way as the black peppers. sinigang soup a little bit thicker than normal, so I make sure that I cook my taro root long enough to make it mushy, so that way it will make the soup thick. I also use the pork stock where I boiled the pork leg. And when I see that the taro root is already breaking down, I added in the radish, the stalk of the pechay, the string beans, and the serrano peppers. And make sure that before we add in our sinigang mix that makes the soup of the sinigang sour, let's see to it that our vegetables are almost done or halfway done. And there's a reason behind this. You know, vegetables have hemicelluloses and they dissolve in the heat or the steam while cooking. And in food science, we have learned that hemicelluloses are insoluble in acid and therefore won't dissolve if the cooking environment is too acidic. And not only on the texture, it also has a great impact on the color of the vegetables, because it is also important to preserve as much natural color as possible when cooking vegetables. It can be said that its visual quality is as important as its flavor or nutritional value, because many people may reject or accept a vegetable on the basis of its appearance. I hope you learned something new today on this video, and thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and see you on my next video.